Hello everybody, it's about Revan, and in this video, I'm going to do a little comparison here for y'all. If you're wondering why I haven't posted a video like this in about a week, because of several things, but chief among which was cleaning my house for a renovation of carpets, so there you go. But I'm going to review, or not really review, but I'm going to go in depth about certain Lego sets that I have currently. The Lego Clone Turbo Tank, aka Republic Juggernaut, versus the Luna Limo from Lego Space Police. So, two nostalgic sets, even though this one was from 2016, but the earliest version was made in 2005. Then there was an update from that in 2010, but I like this set. It's an older set. It came out in 2016. Retired in November of the following year. But other than that, I'm going to go in depth here. I'll show you the pros and cons of each set. Pros of the Lunar Limo: it's a lot smaller piece count, a lot easier to store. It's like 14 inches long. It's got an opening roof, an opening hood. And even got an old 2000s missile launcher here. I'll demonstrate that now. They don't make them like that anymore, but I don't know if that's really a pro, but that's still a really cool feature. And besides, Lego Space Pitmobile, so if you like that stuff, good for you. And now on the pros of the Republic Juggernaut or Clone Turbo Tank, whatever you want to call it. And Lego called it the Clone Turbo Tank because they didn't want to get copyright with Juggernaut being a Marvel property. And here we are, the Clone Turbo Tank. So the pros of this, you've got opening everything, opening back section, opening side, the sides open up. Got a little storage compartment there in bright yellow. In fact, this one came with a walker. I still have the walker, but instead I added this little piece to put troops on. Kind of a little troop transport. And so the reason why I'm I'm making a Lego video is because I haven't posted about Lego in forever. Besides, Lego gives me nostalgia, so I figured what the heck. But anyway, yeah. So, and yes, it is actually called Lego. Everyone says Legos, or a lot of people do. But I want to clarify that it's not the right way to say the company. It's Lego. Because Lego is short for play hard in Danish. Lego is a Danish company. They've been based in Denmark. I think they didn't come to the United States till the 60s. Didn't come international till the 60s, but so you've got spring-loaded shooters. I got off topic there for a little bit, but this Clone Turbo Tank has suspension and it turns depending on how you move it. It's pretty cool, and it can even go over things to a certain extent, but it's pretty nice. I like this Lego Clone Turbo Tank. It's one of the better ones. Improved suspension, but it's a lot smaller than the 2010 version, which it's kind of a disappointment, but it works. And the suspension has been hugely improved since the 2010 variant, so hats off to Lego for that. Got an observation post here at the front of the tank. In this particular case, I've got Commander Gree here holding a Chrome Thompson that was made by a company called Brick Arms. They had nothing to do with Lego, yet they make Lego accessories, like Lego firearms and stuff like that. Like that Chrome Thompson, for example. And the star of the show, of the Lunar Limo, back to the Lunar Limo, is Brick Daddy. And he's a pimp daddy with a, he didn't come with the pimp cane or the golden Beretta M9. The Beretta M9 actually came from a Brick Arms Gold Pack limited edition, a very limited edition, and all the chosen random. And the pimp cane I just got off eBay, which is a Lego gold rod and a gold lightsaber grip and a blue jewel at the end, and called it a day. And I'm going to go over I'm going to demonstrate one of the missile launchers here, or spring-loaded shooters on the turbo tank. Shoots real far, a lot further than the Luna Limo's missile launcher. But that's that. And the Luna limo did come with a police officer, space police commando they call him, but I couldn't find him, so that's why he has yet to be seen here. In fact, I don't even know where he went, so there you go. And what I like about both sets is that they're very cool, they're awesome, they're about the same length, but the Clone Turbo Tank here has a little carry handle that folds out. If you want to carry it or something, or if you don't want to grab it by the wheels, you can always use a little carry handle that lifts up. You even have on the Luna limo, granted the Luna limo don't have that feature, but you can at least grab it from the bottom because it doesn't have wheels. And that's that. That's all I'm really going to go over. It wasn't exactly a pros and cons video, but just more of a comparison, if anything. I know it's like comparing apples and oranges, but I figured it would be fun content for y'all to watch. Besides, I haven't posted in a little bit under a week, so, because of, my house being renovated in a couple days, as well as a little bit of a hectic work schedule and having not too much time on my hands, so I figured I'd make a video for y'all. Alright, that's that. I'm Reverend Skywalker, and that was my comparison on oranges and bananas. See you next time. Bye.